back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for coming out here to the Speedway and supporting your local racetrack. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to kick the dust off our shoes. It's time to get down and dirty as the American All-Star Series comes back to life here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. It's going to be Bear and the 002 with Tyler Barrington. You guys ready to go see some awesome racing? Because I surely am. Here we go. Anywhere right through the middle of 3 and 4. We're ready to get some more action underway, they say. Tyler Barrington in that yellow spoiler. Ladies and gentlemen, I missed the American All-Star Series, and we are ready to go. We're underway. A lot of slicing and dicing. Remember, top 4 is going to be the place to be, as that's going to be Martin Jr. in number 15. Here comes the 11 of Cole Apple to the outside, down to the backstretch, make it 3 wide in the back of the field. Little bit of contact there between Rodney Martin Jr. and the 11 machine of Apple as they complete lap number 1. Look at the 09 machine. That's going to be Michael Leach with a good run on the inside. He'll take that 4th and final transfer spot away. As that's going to go to the 09 machine, we got the number 65 of Jennings around in turn 1 and 2. Caution flag waves. As our first Western Excavation yellow waves here tonight for O'Reilly Auto Parts Heat Race number 1. Between those 2 red flags for the Pro-Built Race Engine Restart Zone. Currently just 1 lap into this one out of the 8. As Tyler Barrington works himself, he may fire at any time. Tyler Bear, that's going to be Martin Jr. there on the outside. We're green flag back underway here for the O'Reilly Auto Parts Heat Race number 1. Tyler Barrington with a comfortable lead. Bear and Martin Jr. go door to door in turn 1 and 2 as Martin's got to get washed up on down to the backstretch. Here comes the 09 machine. That's going to be Michael Leach to the bottom side. As Arrington pulls out to a big lead, how about Leach getting himself into that transfer spot into the night show for $10,000 to win? As Legion 09, everybody down on the bottom shelf early, got the number 12 of Ryan Adams in that 5th spot. You do not want to be there. It's about single file throughout the field as Tyler Arrington continues to lead, running 16.663s. Tyler Bear in the 00 machine on the bottom side. It's going to be Rodney Martin Jr. down to the backstretch, and the final transfer spot is going to go to the 09 out of the Longhorn chassis. That's Michael Leach. Halfway to go here for O'Reilly Auto Parts Heat Race number 1. About single file throughout the field. The best battle on the racetrack is going to be for the 5 of Chesney, and you will have Spencer Apple in that number 10 machine on the outside and give that spot to Apple. He'll move into that 8th spot. As Tyler Barrington continues to click laps away as he's running 16.584. Tyler Bear with a 16.951. Rodney Martin Jr.'s got a little bit of company because here comes Michael Leach. Leach just ran a 17.131 compared to Martin's 17.379 as it's 2 to go this time by for O'Reilly Auto Parts Heat Race number 1. Tyler Barrington with a commanding lead as he works that bottom shelf. We should see the white flag going to be this time by as Tyler Barrington, he might take the points championship and take $10,000 here tonight as Tyler Barrington came with his A game, has opened up a big lead of 2.3 over the 00 of Tyler Bear as it's all going to be the 002 of Tyler Barrington will get the checkered flag. Tyler Bear will be for second. Martin will go to the show. And what a run as the 09 of Leach will make it into the show as well. Got an issue with scoring and timing here. It seems like... So Tyler, if you go by actual physical position, the My Race Pass is way off there on those last laps there. As it's showing Tyler Barrington in the 9th spot, but physically we've already got the top 4 in going to the show. Should be Arrington, Bear, Martin, and the 09 machine of Leach should be the top 4 going into this one. On the inside of row number 5 would be the 14A of Lucas Adams out of New Cumberland, Pennsylvania. And on the outside would be the 36 of Darren Critchfield out of Buchanan, Virginia. On the inside on the final row will be the 6 of the 40S of Scott Sweeney out of Cross Junction, Virginia. As we're getting ready to line them up here right through the middle of turn 3 and 4, Rogerio Jr. takes them to the green. We're underway. Great race in there as Brown's on the bottom side of the speedway. Look at Matthew Porter, 19, run that cut down line off of turn number 2. As you have a battle with the 151 of Cole Kimbrough and A.J. Hicks. Hicks going to work to the outside. Big push there for the 19 of Porter. Look out as A.J. Hicks going to be able to work to the inside. Hicks works that bottom shelf. Matthew Porter to the outside, side by side, 2x2 for that final transfer spot. Porter going to be able to roll the momentum to the outside of the speedway. As Porter gets a little loose, A.J. Hicks on the bottom side, still door-to-door for the final transfer spot. 2 out of 8 in this one so far. The battle is the final spot. Hicks going to have to work to the bottom. Matthew Porter holds him off. Can Matthew Porter make himself into the show for $10,000 to win here tonight? As it's all going to be John Rogerio Jr. out there with a big lead as he's been running 17.118 to this time. As Jack Brown to the bottom side, it'll be Colby Kimbrough and Matthew Porter, the top 4 going to the show. Can A.J. Hicks make something happen out of the backstretch? Couple moves in the back of the field with the 1J of Jake Jackson and Colton Stanley. A little bit of contact between the two as the number 1 of Jake Jackson will go around. Caution flag. Contact was made as they were battling out. It looked like for the 6 and 7 spot as Stanley and Jackson made some contact as they were battling 3 and 4 for your first Western Excavation yellow. So as John Rogerio Jr. at number 44, he will lead himself right to that Pro-Built Restart Engine restart zone. He fires off in turn 3, and we are back underway for the outside group heat race number. Oh, we got some contact. Big contact here with the 151 of Cole Kimbrough. A.J. Hicks and Matthew Porter gets washed out there 3 wide up at turn number 2. Matthew Porter down on the back stretch once again, side by side, door to door. Some contact is made as it's going to be Porter going to hang on to the 5th spot, and he does. Great battling throughout the field as John Rogerio Jr. still out in front by himself. Jack Brown, Cole Kimbrough. Now Matthew Porter gets all crossed up off of turn 1 and 2 as A.J. Hicks in the 64 now will take that final transfer spot. As we continue on, 3 out of 8 here for the outside group heat race number 2, as it's still John Rogerio Jr. with a 17.038 that last lap time, pulling away. Like I said, the last time he was here, he took a home 10K right here out of the Natural Ridge Speedway. Jack Brown in that number 26 ride. It's going to be Colby Kimbrough. Single file, nose to tail, back to the number 64 of A.J. Hicks. As Hicks rolls that bottom, still as the 19 of Matthew Porter looking for a good run off of turn 1 and 2. Down the back stretch, it's still going to be Matthew Porter. Slings it in deep, gets really close, almost makes contact with him on a 3 and 4. White flag in the air. As John Rogerio Jr. just easily makes himself down to the back stretch in the middle of 3 and 4. As Jack Brown at number 28 will be the 151. That's Colby Kimbrough, and A.J. Hicks will punch their ticket in tonight's show for $10,000 to win for the American All-Star Series. Oh, man, what a race. What a race. Oh, my. So that's going to be your top 4 going into the show here tonight. Congratulations for the 64 of A.J. Hicks as they will go into the scales. So as we're going to get ready to go, it looks like I'm being told that it's time to go. Justin Williams, who is your quick time overall in Flight B for our qualifying for the VP Racing Fuels. He's ready to go. Green flag is out, and we are back racing here at the Natural Ridge Speedway. As they race their way into turn 1 and 2, Ryan Smith with a run on Allman. As they race their way down on the backstretch in turn 1 and 2, make it 3 wide there with Hayden Cardwell on the 17. He's stuck at 3 wide. It'll be Tyler Hoyt at number 71 to the bottom side as they battle 2x2 for that 2nd and 3rd spot. Racing for the lead, Ryan Smith on the outside shelf. It's going to be Williams in the 7W down to the backstretch. Cardwell in the show, sitting in that 3rd spot in the number 17. Tyler Hoyt in the number 71 machine. It's going to go to the 2 of Dylan Ward. Warden going to be the top 5, and Warden's going to make a mistake, and here comes Trent Ivy to the inside. Trent Ivy's going to look for that 5th spot. He gets it. He's looking for more. He's got Tyler Hoy in that number 71 machine, as it's going to be the 17 of Mr. Hayden Cardwell, as Cardwell's going to work it to the bottom, as it's going to be Cardwell for that 3rd spot, Ryan Smith, and it'll go to the number 7 of Justin Williams, as this race is really doing really good. As Williams taking us out right through the middle of 3 and 4 out of the VP Racing Fuels. We will see the 2 to go, actually halfway to go this time by. Good battle for the race lead as Trent Ivy in that number G4. He's looking on the inside for the last spot for Tyler Hoy. Also a good battle for that 2nd and 3rd spot. As number 4, Ryan Smith on the outside. Here comes Cardwell with a big run on the inside. Door to door for that 3rd, 2nd spot. As the 71 of Hoy, here goes Ivy as Cardwell dives it in really deep. As the Ryan Smith's going to hold off that slider line down to the backstretch once again. As the 7, it's going to be all Justin Williams. He'll see the 2 to go this time by. Battling continues on. Cardwell looking good for the 2nd spot. He will get it at the line. Right, big slide job there off of turn number 2 for Cardwell. Ryan Smith with a big run off of turn number 2. Door to door once again. White flag in the air for Williams. Lot of racing action there. Tyler Hoy in for that final trainer spot. 2 battles. Big positions here to get into the show. As Justin Williams in the number 7 will make his way to the bottom 7 of 3 and 4. He will get the checkered flag. It'll go to Hayden Cardwell in the 17. He'll get it as well. Final trainer spot will go to Tyler Hoy. My, oh my, what a race. What a race. Congratulations to Justin Williams and the 7W for getting it done here for PPM Racing Products Heat Race number 3. The 17 of Cardwell battled Ryan Smith very cleanly in that CVR race car number 17. He'll take 2nd, Ryan Smith, and it should go to Tyler Hoy for that final transfer spot. Cool deal as Trevor Size and Austin Yarbrough going to lead them off here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. American Racer Heat Race number 4 getting ready to come out. Street Stock feature. You are up next. As we are ready to go, we're underway for the American Racer Tire Heat Race number 4. They race their way into turn 1 and 2. Trevor Size of a big run to the outside. He'll take them down to the backstretch with the PBM Racing Products number 73 and take the lead going into 3 and 4. Great battle in between Billy Beecher and Kendall Tucker in that 00 machine. Here comes Kyle Hardy out of the West Virginia Motor Speedway on the outside. Good battling going on for that final transfer spot. As it's going to be the 00, Kendall Tucker and Billy Bleacher. Kyle Hardy to the outside of the 7A of Corey Allman. Allman works on the inside. Kyle Hardy to the outside as they're still side by side down to the front stretch. As Trevor Size is absolutely gone in the 73. Austin Yarbrough in the 2nd spot. Kendall Tucker in 3rd. Battle's going to be for that final trainer spot. Kyle Hardy with a big run off of turn number 2. He's looking to the outside of Billy Bleacher. Gets there. It's going to be Kyle Hardy making it to the show as he's going to get in that 4th spot. Billy Bleacher said, I ain't done just yet. He's going to work back to the inside off of turn number 2. It's going to be Kyle Hardy to the outside. Hardy and Bleacher door to door in 3 and 4. Corey Allman going to try to punch his ticket as well on the bottom side of the speedway. Give that to Kyle Hardy. He'll be running that 4th spot at this time as Kyle Hardy punches his ticket in here for $10,000 to win down to the backstretch. As Trevor Size in the 73 still continues to click laps away as it's going to be Austin Yarbrough, Kendall Tucker going to be the top 3. As Size continues to pull away, running 17.002 to this time from Austin Yarbrough in that 2nd spot. We'll see the 2 to go this time by. Single file to the tail. Kyle Hardy in that final trainer spot. No challenge from Billy Bleacher. Once he passed him, he decided to hold the throttle down and pull away. As we'll see the white flag this time around for the 73 of Trevor Size. Size just tiptoes on the bottom side of the Speedway. He's been really hot lately as he was at Charlotte Speedway. Didn't have a good finish there, but he'll work it to the bottom side. He'll wipe it off, and he will get it done here for American Racer. Heat race number 4 goes to Trevor Size, Austin Yarbrough, Kendall Tucker, Kyle Hardy gets into the show. Bleacher, Allman, Bryant, Denning, Dudley, John Davis, and Philip Ramirez will be your field. Street Stocks, you are up next. Street Stock feature, 25 laps, you are up next.